So we start off today with this really cute key ring holder design. I like how she adds a mirror here. This is just such a nice touch. And then paints Inspire. Such a beautiful little design. I love the way that turned out. Very cool. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone with a brown paper bag. Let's see what they end up doing with this. Lots of ways you can play around with a brown paper bag. Oh, they just ended up putting their plants in there. Okay. Not what I was expecting, but you know, sometimes you gotta keep it simple. And then we have some type of frame here, so she's staining that. Adding in some wire. Some glass bottles. So it looks like she's making vases. Yeah, nice little rustic design. Very cool, simplistic DIY. And then we have someone here with an old plastic container. Okay, so I'm not sure what she's making here, and I don't have any guesses. Oh, maybe she's making a basket. Yeah, it definitely looks like she's making some kind of basket. Wow, very cool. So she kind of uses that as like a plant potter. Very cool, very nice. Now, if I have to guess, I'd say this person might be making some type of lamp of some sort, or maybe a candle holder. I thought maybe that those little plastic containers were like the base for a lamp, but it could also be a candle holder. Yeah, I think she's making candle holders. Oh, I like the little trimming of the gold. That's pretty. Oh wow, very nice. That looks so professional. Those came out great. And then we have another DIY featuring some old glassware. I like this mustard yellow color. That's really pretty. It looks like she's making like some decorative vases. The detailing is just gorgeous. Wow. Very cool. Oh wow, that looks amazing. Very nice. I like both designs. Alright you guys, so if you were finding some inspiration within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.